Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EasyAcc Case for Huawei Honor 9 Lite. It is a soft TPU crystal clear slim anti-slip case, transparent back protector cover for Huawei Honor 9 Lite smartphone. If you have some trouble with your smartphone or you like to protect it against scratches and other things, you have to get a case like this, because this case will get protected your edges of your Huawei Honor 9 Lite smartphone. It is better to get a Panzer glass front panel plus a case. This is a good team to protect your smartphone easily. It is a custom made for Huawei Honor 9 Lite, a transparent, slim, flexible and lightweight soft case especially designed for that Huawei Honor 9 Lite. High quality TPU, being flexible, clear and light. The case is designed for a ultimate using experience. Precise cutouts allows easy access to all ports, buttons and controls, just as the case is not on. Decent protection protects the phone from scratching and helps to prevent the accumulation of dust and oil. And of course, it's easy to use. Flexible TPU case enables an easy installation and removal from the phone. But the first step before we will install this case, we have to clean the back side of the smartphone, gentle and easy. For this, there is a cloth in the delivery package. This we are going to use because if our phone backside is dirty, this dirt will be under the case, and this is not a good condition. Really nice. So now you have to look in which direction the case you have to install. Here you can see in the middle is the fingerprint button. Okay, that means this is the upper side. Now slide it easily in position, and then it is matches on one side. Then flip it. Flip the edges easily over the edges of the smartphone, because this case is soft and easy to install, as you can see. Now your phone is easy and good protected. It is a better thing, especially for kids, because kids will break sometimes smartphones easier than adults, of course. I was going to replace the smartphone's screen once and twice. Now the phone is more protected by using this case. I like it really much, and it's cheap, it's not expensive. And everything you can control of your smartphone easily. So there it is, how to install it and how to use it. Easy as you can see. Everything is matches. The back side, the downside, the left and the right side. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Nice protection. Soon.